Hello everyone. Welcome to Communication and Business Correspondence, the language of professional success. Have you ever wondered what sets successful professionals apart? One of the most important factors is their ability to communicate effectively. This course will guide you through the essentials of business communication and correspondence. You will learn how to draft professional letters, employment-related documents, advertisements, and meeting reports with clarity and confidence. Remember, knowledge may open doors, but effective communication helps you walk through them with confidence. I hope this course empowers you to express your ideas professionally and prepares you for success in the corporate world.